Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to share a very important and personal topic, how we've made English a part of our lives. I'll tell you how it became my daily habit and how you can do the same.
And I'll share my journey, the small changes I made, and how these habits helped me become fluent in English. By the end of this video, you'll get simple and practical ideas to bring English into your everyday life.
When I started learning English, it wasn't easy. I always thought English was just a subject in school. But with time, I realized that it's a language, a tool to connect with the world. So I started to make it a natural part of my routine.
That's very true, Annie. In the beginning, I used to wait for a classroom or teacher to practice English. But when I understood that learning can happen anywhere, I changed my approach. I began by listening to English songs, watching short videos, and reading simple English books.
Exactly, Altaf. One of the first things I did was change my phone language to English. It forced me to read English words every day, and slowly I got used to them. It was a small step, but it made a big difference.
Yes, and for me, the best habit was thinking in English. For example, when I walked to the market, I started describing things in my mind in English like, I see a red car or I'm going to buy apples. This daily practice helped me improve without needing anyone else.
I also started speaking to myself in English. At first, it felt strange, but then it became fun. I used to stand in front of the mirror and speak for 2 or 3 minutes about my day. It improved my confidence and fluency.
And another helpful thing was subtitles. I used to watch English movies or YouTube videos with English subtitles. It improved both my listening and reading skills. Later, I turned the subtitles off to challenge myself more.
That's a great idea. I also followed some English pages on social media. Every day I saw new phrases, vocabulary, and quotes. I didn't memorize everything, but just seeing English regularly trained my brain to understand faster.
One more thing I'd like to add is English journaling. I started writing one paragraph daily about my thoughts, my goals, or how I felt that day. It not only improved my writing, but also helped me express myself better in English.
Oh yes, journaling is powerful. And I also made English my listening partner. While cooking or cleaning, I played English podcasts. I wasn't always focused 100%, but still my ears got used to English sounds and sentence patterns.
The key is exposure. The more you listen, read, and speak English, the more it becomes a natural part of your life. You don't have to spend hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily can bring a big change if you stay consistent.
I agree. People think fluency comes from grammar books or expensive courses. But the truth is, fluency comes from habits, small daily habits that slowly change your thinking, speaking, and understanding.
That's right. For example, I joined English speaking groups online. We had short conversations once or twice a week. It gave me a chance to practice with different people, and I learned new expressions each time.
I also used to play word games in English. They were fun and helped me remember vocabulary. When learning is fun, it becomes easier to continue and stay motivated.
One important change I made was to stop translating from my native language into English. Instead, I tried to learn English as it is. For example, instead of thinking "mujhe bhook lagi hai" and then translating it, I started saying "I'm hungry," directly.
Yes, that's the goal, to think in English, speak in English, and live in English. It doesn't mean we leave our mother tongue, but we add English to our lifestyle naturally.
You're right. Now, I don't wait for a perfect moment to use English. I use it everywhere, while texting, while writing notes, even while talking to friends who also want to improve. That's how I've truly made English a part of my life.
Same here. And for everyone watching this video, remember, start small, change your phone settings, think in English, describe your actions in English, and speak without fear, even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid of them. Keep going. The more you use English, the more confident you will feel. One day you'll realize that English is no longer a subject you study, but a part of who you are.
So today we shared how we've made English a part of our daily lives, and how you can too. Whether it's listening, speaking, reading, or writing, just make English a habit.
That's right. We hope you learned simple and useful tips to bring English into your routine. Start now and keep practicing every day.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video with more tips to boost your English skills.
Take care and remember, practice English daily and make it your habit for life.